Hi, students. We're going to talk about slavery and how the male and female romantics responded to it. And we have a wonderful introduction in your Norton, and I really would like for you to read it very carefully because it gives you a number of the tropes that the romantics are using to talk about this distressing and horrifying evil, really, that they are looking at and trying to manage. And not only manage, but to imagine their way out of, because what we see is an example of consciousness raising, of the male and female writers recognizing that they have the power to write, and they believe that imagination with a capital I has godlike powers to understand the world, but also to change the world. And we've seen that already in some of the writings, particularly by Shelley in the first week of class, where he is trying to force almost a kind of imaginary revolution and a physical revolution against the evil of kings and royalty. So, what we see are the romantics trying to imagine what it is to be human, particularly in regards to the great chain of being, and the idea that human beings are equal. Now, we know that the romantics couldn't imagine that completely or fully because women still do not have the right to vote at this time, and there are still really, it is said that only with the 20th century do women, children, and blacks obtain freedom and equality, and we're still fighting for those, really. So the British are really, these British writers are really trying to understand through the imagination, believing that the imagination is this powerful tool to raise consciousness and to actually change the world. They're asking the question, if Britain is this great nation, the greatest nation in the world, it should have the greatest value system. And they're looking at the morality of slavery.